today we are going to listen to a story. Okay, so my name is Tarusi. Je m'appelle Tarusi. I can see familiar faces. I think some of the students know me. I can see Umeda and others. Some of the students know me. So we are going to listen to a story. I'm going to tell you a story. So it's a French story. So you are going to listen to the story. And after that, you are going to do something interesting. Any idea what we are going to do? Any ideas what we are going to do? No? No? Okay, so let me explain. So once I'm done telling you the story, so you have to draw pictures. So it's like a bande dessinée. So most of you have an idea about bande dessinée. We call it BD. It's like Tintin stories where you are going to draw pictures and picture in summary. Clear? Is it clear? In 4 pictures, you are going to summarize the story. You can take a piece of paper, half sheet maybe. Then after that, you can write the name of the story once I share the screen. So now you are not going to draw pictures. Once I recited the story only, you are going to draw pictures. Is it clear? You can have all your color pencils, your crayons, a piece of paper with you. Okay, let me share the screen now. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Oui, d'accord. So when I'm telling you the story, I'll be asking questions time to time. So whenever I ask you a question, you can unmute your microphone and then answer. So till then, you can keep your mics muted. Is it clear? Est-ce que c'est clair? Is it clear?
Oui.
Okay.
Claire.
So it's a story. You can see the topic of the story. La famille Cloche-Pied. So this is the story of, this is the topic of the story. C'est le titre. La famille Cloche-Pied. So you can see the family members, les membres de la famille. You can see family members. So il y a 5 membres. D'accord? Il y a 5 membres. There are 5 members in the family. So what do you think? Cloche-Pied? You can see, look at their feet. Okay. One, they have, all of them have only one shoe. Une chaussure, seulement une chaussure. As you can see, all the members have only one shoe. So, c'est le père, c'est la maman, c'est la maman. So this is the father, c'est le père. Il s'appelle Monsieur Dupont. Il s'appelle Monsieur Dupont. So his name is Mr. Dupont. C'est la maman, so this is the mom in the family. Elle s'appelle Madame Dupont. So her name is Madame Dupont. And after that, you can see the boy, c'est le garçon. Il s'appelle Nicolas. His name is Nicolas. And then you can see 2 sisters, 2 sœurs. Il a 2 sœurs, so he has 2 sisters. So her name is Marie. Elle s'appelle Marie et elle s'appelle Anna. So, in the family, dans la famille, il y a 5 membres. In the family, there are 5 members. Le père, la mère, le garçon, le fils, et les filles. So, the son and 2 daughters. So, you can see 1 boy, un garçon, et 2 filles. Can remember the names? I hope everyone can remember the names. Le père, il s'appelle Monsieur Dupont.
Monsieur Dupont.
La mère, elle s'appelle Madame Dupont. C'est le garçon, il s'appelle Nicolas. C'est les 2 filles, elles s'appellent Anna et Marie. D'accord? So you can see the title one more time. La famille Cloche-Pied. So the family with 1 foot. So they have only 1 shoe. You can see in the picture. So the father, he has only 1 shoe. Look at the mom and the 3 kids. They only have 1 shoe. Now let's find out what's happening in the story. I hope everyone can see the story now. Okay. So I'm going to tell you the story and I will be explaining the story in English as well. So once I have told the story in French, part by part, I am going to tell you the story and I'm going to explain it to you in English as well. Is it clear? Okay, so we will start. Dans la famille Cloche-Pied, il y a le fils, c'est moi. Je m'appelle Nicolas. Et puis mes deux petites sœurs aux chaussettes rouges qui s'appellent Anna et Marie. Et bien sûr, il y a mes parents, papa aux grands pieds et maman aux talons hauts. Monsieur Dupont et Madame Dupont. So we found the members of the family members in the picture. You saw all the members. So here they say, il y a le fils. So there's the son, c'est moi, and that's me. Je m'appelle Nicolas. My name's Nicolas. Je m'appelle Nicolas. So Nicolas is going to tell you the story. Et puis mes deux petites sœurs aux chaussettes rouges. So in the picture you saw there were small sisters. So he has two small sisters, petites sœurs, aux chaussettes rouges. I hope you know this word, chaussette, with red socks. Chaussette rouge. I know you are familiar with the color as well, chaussette rouge. Qui s'appelle Anna et Marie. So they are with red socks and their names are Anna and Marie. Et bien sûr, il y a mes parents. So, and there are my parents, Mr. and Madame Dupont. So father is with huge feet and mother. So in the picture you saw, she has high heels. She was wearing high heels. Let me show you the picture one more time. So you can see the papa and maman. So look at their shoes, the shoes that they are wearing. All right. Okay. So we are continuing on. Continue. Enfin, au talon haut, parce que pendant quelques jours, on a tous marché à cloche-pied parce que la sorcière de l'étage au-dessus nous avait jeté un sort. Tous les pieds droits de nos chaussures avaient disparu. Quelle poise! So this is what has happened. So they are walking only with one shoe. Okay, so they have said à cloche-pied. They have only one shoe. They are walking with one foot. Because the reason is the sorcière. La sorcière, any idea who is la sorcière? Can someone tell me la sorcière? Who is la sorcière? Witch, oui, très bien, super. Okay, so there's a witch downstairs. So she has disappeared all their foot, all their shoes actually. So which shoe? Les pieds droits. Droit, the right shoe. So the witch has disappeared their right shoe. So because of that reason, each and everyone in the family, they do not have the right shoe as you're saw in the picture. Okay, so that's what has happened. Now let's find it out. Aussi, j'étais oublié d'aller à l'école avec chaussures. J'essayais d'être discret en tirant bien le pantalon sur la cheville, mais quand même c'était pas pratique pour jouer au foot, surtout quand on est droitier. So this is the problem. This is Nicolas' problem now. So he has to go to school with one shoe, une chaussure. I know you're familiar with this word, une chaussure, the shoe. So he has to go to the school only with one shoe. J'essayais d'être discret en tirant bien le pantalon. So he tried to hide that missing shoe with his trouser, le pantalon, on the ankle. But what happens? But there's a problem. So what is the problem? So when playing, what is the sport? Or foot? You're familiar fall. With. Yes, he can fall. What is the sport now? Or foot?
Football.
Or foot? Football. Très bien. So when playing football, now he is facing the problem because he is very familiar with his right shoe when playing football. You know, you have to use your foot when playing football. So because of that reason, he is falling in trouble when playing that sport. Du coup, je tirais du pied gauche, je loupais la cage. Now what happens? So he is trying to hit the ball with his left foot because he doesn't have the right shoe. Because of that reason, he is not very familiar playing football with his left shoe. And then he misses the goal. He always misses the goal when he is playing with the left shoe. Okay. Les copains étaient furieux. So their friends are very angry. Why? Why they are angry? Les copains, the friends.
He can't play a goal.
Because their team is getting lower with marks.
Yes, oui, très bien. Et la maîtresse ne faisait que me demander si j'étais blessé. So their master was the one who was asking whether I was injured. Okay, now let's see. We continue. Mes petites sœurs.
Football with the left leg.
Yes. So now let's find out with the sister. So the Nicola, the boy, he is facing a lot of troubles because of this problem. Let's find out about the sister, les petites sœurs. Mes petites sœurs, elles, ça n'a pas eu l'air de l'aide d'étrangers. D'ailleurs, la plupart du temps, elles n'en mettent pas de chaussures. So, what about the sisters? They are not facing any troubles. They are not worried about that. And they are not even bothered. Why? What is the reason? Because most of the time, they are not wearing the shoes. The chaussures, elles n'en mettent pas de chaussures. They are not wearing shoes. So that's not a problem for them. Losing one shoe is not a problem for the sisters because they are too small, très petites. Elles font toujours pieds nus et on retrouve leurs souliers dans la poubelle, dans les boîtes, dans le panier de chien ou sur la pelouse en bas de l'immeuble. So they always walk with their feet without any shoes, and they always throw their shoes here and there. So there's a list. Dans la poubelle, in the dustbin, they put their shoes, and after that, in the boxes, you can find the little sister's shoes, and in the kennel of the dog, and after that, in the lawn. So the list goes on. They are keeping their shoes here and there, and that's not a problem for them. Okay, we are going to continue. Le plus en colère, c'était papa. So father is the one who's quite angry. Why? Impossible d'aller au bureau avec une seule chaussure. Because it's impossible to go to the office with only one shoe.
Father doesn't like the family.
Not the fact that he doesn't like the family, but he has only one shoe. The other shoe is missing. That is the reason that he is quite angry. The reason is he has only one shoe. That is why he is quite angry. Alors, il a convaincu son copain infirmier de lui planter la jambe. Il marchait avec des béquilles. C'était rigolo. Mais il ne fallait surtout pas rire, sinon il nous faisait son regard laser. So what happens, since he has only one shoe, he asked her friend, who is a nurse, to give him clutches. You can see the pictures, a clutcher. So he is walking with it because it's really difficult for him to walk only with one shoe. Otherwise, he has to jump and walk here and there in his office. And what happens? So Nicola is saying it's not nice to tease him, but let's find out who's the one who's teasing. Surtout quand maman se moquait de lui. Parce que, après tout, c'était de sa faute à elle. So, the mom is teasing his father because he is walking like that, which is quite funny, but you know, it's not really nice to mock like that. But the thing is, even though mom is laughing at him, the fault is with her. Let's find out what is the fault. Maman aime beaucoup les chaussures. So mom likes shoes a lot, beaucoup les chaussures. Surtout celles qui ont des talons hauts, très hauts. Especially the shoes with tall heels, which are quite tall. I hope you all have seen your mom wearing heels. Okay, so she likes to wear heels which are quite tall. Et comme elle ne peut pas les mettre à son travail, il ne faut faire de bruit à l'hôpital. Elle les garde pour la maison le soir et ses jours de repos. But the thing is, the problem is, even though the mom likes to wear heels, there's a problem. The reason is she cannot wear those heels to the place where she is working. Any guesses where she is working? You can see one word. Any guesses where she is working? No.
She's working
Hospital?
Ah, oui. Très bien. So she's working at the hospital, okay? Mais il ne faut pas faire de bruit à l'hôpital. Mom is working at the hospital, but father is working at the office. Okay?
Teacher, is mom going to work?
Yes, she is going to work. Okay, wait, now I'll explain what happens. So the race, yes.
Is she a nurse?
Yes, she is a nurse, but they have not mentioned, so maybe she can be a doctor, either a doctor or a nurse. It's not mentioned, so you can imagine whether, we don't know whether she is a doctor or a nurse, most probably a nurse. So she's saying, they cannot make any noise at the hospital, so she cannot wear tall heels to the hospital. So she cannot go to the hospital wearing those tall heels. Elle les garde pour la maison le soir et ses jours de repos. So she keeps them with her at the house in the evening and on the days where she has a leave. Tac, 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 sur le parquet. Tac, 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 dans le couloir. Nous, on est habitués, mais pas la sorcière dessous. So the thing is, since Mama cannot wear those high heels to the hospital where she is working, she is wearing those heels at the house when she has a leave, when she is staying at home. So when you are walking with heels, you have that sound, tuck, tuck, tuck. So when she always walks with those tall heels, that sound is coming here from here and there at the house. Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Does the family have another pair of shoes?
Who?
The family?
No. That's the story about. No, they don't have.
Excuse me, teacher.
That's the thing. Yes.
What is the problem?
Il y a beaucoup de choses dans supermarché.
No. Oui. Au supermarché, oui. Mais à la maison, non. Chez leur maison, non.
The shoes store and get some new shoes.
Yes, they are going to do that. Okay. So you can hear that sound, tuck, tuck, tuck from here and there. But they are used to it. On Nous est habitués, they are used to it. Nicola and the family, they are used to it. But not the witch who is in the downstairs. But the witch is not used to that. Elle s'est fâchée et voilà la punition. She is very angry and here's the punishment. So this is the punishment. Quand c'est arrivé, Maman courut chez le marchand le plus proche et a acheté des chaussures pour tout le monde. Mais en ouvrant la boîte, on s'est rendu compte qu'il n'y avait qu'une seule chaussure, la gauche, évidemment. So because of that reason, so like you all said, she went to the supermarket. So she went to the market and she bought shoes for the family. But when opening the boxes, she noticed that in the box, they have only one shoe. So evidently, obviously, so it's the left shoe. So the reason is the witch has spelled a magic. Yeah.
Because
so
of the high heel sounds, the witch cursed them only to
that's it.
Shoe?
Yes, that's it. Yes. All right. So now, even though they buy shoes from supermarkets or anywhere else, they will always lose their right shoe. That's what happened. Now let's see.
That's a curse.
Yes, that's a curse, obviously. Alors, j'ai eu une idée géniale. So Nicola has a great idea. Now let's find out what is this great idea. Trouver une paire de magnifiques chaussures pour la sorcière. Si elle pouvait cacher ses pieds dans les jolis souliers vernis Elle arrêtait sans doute de lorgner les chaussures de maman. So this is Nicolas' idea. So he is planning to find some great royal shoes for the witch, so that Nicolas thinks the witch will stop taking their right shoe. So he is planning to find some great looking, royal looking shoes. But from where is he going to find this shoe? C'est mon copain, le brocanteur, qui est aussi un peu magicien. So he is going
From
to...
a magician.
Yes, he is a magician. He is also a magician and he is selling those old stuff. Okay. So he is going to his place and going to find a great looking shoe, a pair of shoes. Oui, mais le problème, c'est la pointure. But there's a problem. So what's the problem now? Nicolas doesn't know the size of witches' foot. Their feet size, shoe size, he doesn't know. Je n'ai jamais regardé les pieds de la sorcière, moi. Alors, pendant quelques jours, je l'ai guetté. So he hasn't seen the witch's feet. So because of that, he doesn't know the shoe size. Now what he did was he hid under the staircase, and now he is going to find out, he is going to observe the witch's feet carefully and attentively and guess the size. Caché sous l'escalier, so hidden under the staircase.
Why is the small brother going to buy shoes for the witch?
So that they will stop, the witch will stop taking their shoe. So as a gift, they are going to give it to the witch.
Okay.
Okay, all right. J'ai pu regarder ses pieds, grands, plats, de gros orteils poilus, des ongles biscornus. Ça va pas être facile. So now he is explaining the feet of the witch. Gros, they are huge and they are flat, and she has hairy, large toes, and their knee, what do you call them? The shoe, the size of the shoe is quite difficult for him to find, and his feet is quite large and they are flat, and the nails are crooked. Des ongles biscornus. The nails are crooked also. So ce n'est pas très facile, c'est très difficile. So it's really difficult for him to find the right size. Okay, now let's find. Le mercredi, c'est un jour de la semaine, non, les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. So what is the day? What is the day en anglais, in English?
Wednesday?
Ah oui, très bien. So on Wednesday, so that's un jour de la semaine. So on Wednesday, je suis partie chez le brocanteur pensant qu'il serait de bons conseils. So on Wednesday, this boy, Nicolas, he is going to his friend's place thinking that he has a great idea. Quel bazar dans sa boutique. So it's a mess in his place. Finalement, j'ai décidé de tout lui raconter. Il la connaît, cette sorcière. So this magician also knows this witch. He knew that witch. Il est parti tout au fond de l'atelier. Je l'entendais remuer son bric-à-bric, puis il est revenu avec une paire de chaussures magnifiques. So this boy, Nicolas, told the story, and this friend, he also knows this witch, and then he went to the backside of his place and he brought him a pair of great-looking, royal-looking shoes. Elles étaient bleu roi et douces comme du velours, avec une pierre sur les dessus qui brille comme un soleil. So this pair of shoes was great looking. They were great looking and they were in blue color, and top of that shoe you can find a diamond which shines bright like the sun. Let me show you something similar to that shoe. Let me show you. Let's find it out. Okay. How about the shoes? Great looking, huh? So blue color, and on top you can see a diamond which shines bright like the sun. Okay, so we are going to find
It's
what
like
happens
the
at the
two
end.
Cinderellas.
Ah, yes. B.
Teacher, did that boy give the shoe to the witch?
Now let's find it out what happens. Okay.
Teacher.
Ok. Et de talent haut et fin, si fin qu'on en dirait des aiguilles. Mais en plus, elles sont magiques. So these shoes, they were quite magical. Now let's find out what is the reason. Elles s'adaptent à tous les pieds. So they were magical shoes because anyone can wear those shoes. It doesn't matter whether you have small feet. It doesn't matter whether you have long feet or fat feet. It doesn't matter. Anyone can wear these shoes because it's a magical shoe. Elle s'adapte à tous les pieds, les longs, les courts, les larges, aux orteils qui rebiquent, aux petits doigts qui se recroquevillent.
Teacher, did the
It
boy
doesn't matter.
get one shoe or a pair?
The pair, both of them. Okay, so they were great looking shoe and they were magical shoes because the reason is everyone can, but it doesn't matter the size of the shoe, size of your shoe, size of your feet, I mean, anyone can wear those shoes. So this, his friend is saying now, avec des chaussures comme ça, Cendrillon serait resté dans sa cheminée. M'a dit mon ami le brocanteur. So this friend told Nicola, so with those shoes, Cinderella, you know the story of Cinderella, so she would stay in her chimney for the rest of her life. Why? What is the reason? Because if she was wearing those magic shoes, when she lost them, when the prince was finding the princess who was wearing these shoes, so for the fact that anyone can wear those shoes, then Cinderella won't be able to be his princess. Clear? Because those were magical shoes. So he is selling. So this friend is telling, so if she had those shoes, then she had to stay in her chimney for the rest of her life. Okay? So he is telling, la magie n'est pas à mettre entre toutes les mains, a-t-il rajouté. So he added, magic should not be in everyone's hand because it's quite dangerous if everyone knows the magic. Okay, now let's go to the end of the story. Alors, j'ai apporté les chaussures à maman. Elle les offert à la jeteuse de sorte en lui promettant dorénavant, promis, juré, craché, on ne marchait qu'en pente-foule, mais la maman a dit un mensonge. So, this boy, Nicola, he took those shoes to her mom and asked him to give it to the witch. So, Mama, so she is the one who made the mistake. That is the reason why she is giving the pair of shoes to the witch. So, she promised that she is not going to wear those high heels and to make that noise, that annoying noise hereafter. So, she promised that as well. So, la sorcière a accepté notre cadeau. So, the witch accepted our gift. And one more thing, so here Mama lied because she wants to wear those high heels once again. So, just to promise the witch, she lied at that point because she loves, earlier we learned that she loved to wear high heels. Et chacun a retrouvé sa chaussure droite. So at the end, everybody found their right shoe. La famille Cloche-Pied marche à nouveau droit. Now the family with one foot, they have their right shoe. Maintenant, quand on monte l'escalier de notre immeuble, on entend toujours tac, 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 tac. So when we are climbing the staircase, we always hear the sound tac, 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 tac. But the thing is, mais On ne sait jamais si c'est maman ou la sorcière au-dessus. But the thing is, we don't know who's the one making that noise, whether our mom or the witch. Okay? C'est la fin de l'histoire. So that is the end of the story. Okay? Did you enjoy the story?
Yes, teacher.
Now you know what you have to do. I hope everyone... Super, d'accord. I
Teacher.
hope everyone... Yeah.
We should draw a comic strip.
Ah, yes, that's it. So now what you are going to do is you are going to draw a comic strip. Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
we need to write and draw the whole story.
No. I'll explain what you have to do. Take a piece of paper, a half sheet maybe, then divide that paper into 4
What about
parts.
a book?
Sorry?
What about a book?
Book, fine, but then you have to send a picture. You have enough space to draw 4 pictures? If so, then fine. Okay?
Yeah.
A half sheet of paper
Yeah.
would be great.
Teacher,
So write your
this
name.
is the book.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
using a drawing book.
Okay, fine. That's fine. That's fine. All right. So write your name on top. And after that, write the topic. Le titre, la famille cloche-pied. You are going to write the name of the story. And on top, please make sure to write your name as well. You are going to draw picture, a comic strip. I hope you're familiar with that. You are going to summarize the story in 4 pictures. If you want, you can draw bubbles and write some lines from the story.
Can we draw like 6 boxes?
4 boxes would be great. 4 boxes. Okay. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. And please make sure that you write your full name. Write your full name. Okay. Prénom et nom, your name and the surname. Okay. Make sure that you write your full name. I hope everyone has...
I don't know how to write my full name.
You can ask from your mom maybe. Ask your mom to write. Okay, Umeda.
Can I write just my first name and my surname?
Yes, that would be great. Yes. You have 20 minutes. You have 20 minutes.
Teacher, in those, what should we do?
In those 4 boxes, so first you can maybe draw the family who has only 1 shoe. And after that, you can draw the witch. Maybe you are going to summarize the story using 4 boxes. In 4 boxes, you have to summarize the story. Clear? Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay.
Yes.
Others, Sabah? Okay. Make sure that you color them nicely. Your picture, color it nicely. You can use color pencils or maybe crayon. It doesn't have to be the same picture. You don't need to draw the same picture. No need. You can come up with your own story, own pictures, the way that you imagine. Okay?
Teacher,
So there should be a flow. Sorry?
we have to draw the picture in our way, like a summary smaller.
Ah, yes.
We can put talking bubbles too.
Yes, of course. Why not? Yes. I hope everyone started drawing. I can see some of the students are drawing. Make it quite interesting.
I'm coloring the witch's face in green.
Okay. D'accord, Dinli, d'accord. Arva.
Hello, teacher. This is Ariani's mom.
Alright.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so she's supposed to draw the pictures of the story they had just heard, right?
Yes, 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 that's it.
Okay, okay,
In summary, they can draw.
okay.
So once you have finished drawing, you can send a clear picture to us. Ivana, you are going to save it, right? So for the ones who cannot send it through chat, they can email it to us.
Yes, you all can send it in the chat. If not, you all can email it. I will put the email address in the chat box now. So you all can email it to that email address.
How is it going now? Done with the first box, the first part?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. Others all okay? You are drawing the pictures? How is it going? Now done with the first part?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yet. Not yet.
Okay, fine. I hope everyone has written your name on top. Your name and your surname on top.
Now I'm finished the first box.
Okay. Can you show it to us maybe? You can place the picture to the camera. We cannot actually see it. Ah. Oh, okay. Great. All right. Fabia. Others, you all can also show me what you have
Teacher,
done up to now. Yes.
I finished the father.
Uh-huh. You're drawing only the members, is it?
No, teacher, I'm drawing members, the which and everything.
Ah, okay. Cool.
Teacher, I have already finished the first one.
Okay. All right. Ah, this is Viduna. Ah, that's nice. Keep on
Thank you,
drawing the
teacher.
next one.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, you can color it also. Color it nicely.
Teacher, I have finished
Yes.
drawing the first one.
First one. All right. Go to the next one now. Ah, this is Sanuti. Okay,
Yes.
très bien. Très bien.
Thank you, teacher. I drew the pictures.
Budit. All the pictures. No, you can color it, Prabhudita. You can color it maybe, and you have.
I don't have color pencils right now.
Right now, fine. You don't have any color pencils at home also?
Okay.
No.
Madam, I finished the
Okay,
first.
that's fine. You can send
I
the
am not
picture,
at
Prabhudita.
home.
All right, you can send the picture to us, Prabhudita.
I
Yes,
finished
this is Sumedha.
Okay, I will color it later at home and then send it.
That's also fine. Okay, this is Sumedha. I cannot actually see the picture, darling. You drew all the 4 pictures, Umeda?
No. I didn't.
Okay.
Do I have to draw the witch and the shoe?
Yes, if you want, yes. Yes, because then if not, what about the story then? You have to draw it like the summary of the story, like a comic strip. Okay. So we will be we are going to finish off the session at 2. Even if you couldn't finish drawing, what you can do is you can send the picture to us via email. You can send us an email. Ivana has sent you the email address. So you can copy it down, the email address. Everyone can copy it down. I think all of you won't be able to send us the picture right now. It's better if you can copy it down, the email address. And you can send us an email, your picture. Clear? Make sure that you have the email address.
Teacher, I drew the first picture.
Okay, you can go to the second one.
Yes.
Okay, very good. You can color it now.
Can I do it with watercolors and color pencil?
Yes, fine. Then after that, you can send the picture to us. Okay, you can send us an email afterwards. So with the time, I don't think you will be able to send it through chat. So what you can do is, once we are done with the session, you can color them and send it to us. Is it clear, everyone?
Clear.
Okay.
I'm done with the second picture.
All right.
So, okay. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you, Tarusi. It was really fun and it was really nice. Thank you for
No worries.
And so you all have time to finish your drawing, okay? So you all take time, do a nice drawing and color, okay? Make sure you write your full name on the picture so that it will appear, okay? If you do not know how to write your name, ask your mother or father, okay? And then I hope you all copied the email address that I have typed in the chat box. If not, please do copy it. And then take a picture of your drawing and email it to us, okay? So that like that we will have your drawing in the video as well, okay? So that's the idea. Did you all copy the email address?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so hope everyone copied it. So I'm expecting your image by the end of the day so that I can collect it. So make sure you send it today, okay? Before 5:30, send it to the email address and we will publish it soon, okay? So thank you so much everyone for joining and thank you again, Tarusi, for your time. Okay, so bye, take care.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
God bless you.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bye-bye. I'll pause the recording.